Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Last class we saw chapter number 2, numbers from 200 to 1000. In that we saw numbers from 201 to 300, isn't it? So till that you're all clear? Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Today we are going to see numbers from 301 to 400. Yes. Shall we see it now? I'm going to say, you're going to repeat after me. Are you all ready? Now you're going to repeat after me. 301. 301. 301. So 301. So that is 301. You know the spelling of 300, right? T-H-R-E-E. 300. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 300. One. What is spelling of one? O-N-E. 301. So no need to tell the spellings, right? You will write. So 301. After 301, 302. 302. You know the spelling of 300? T-W-O-2. So 302. 303. 303. 304. 304. 305. Repeat after me, children. 301. 302. 303. 304. 305. Now tell me what will come after 305. Shall we see? Yes, 306. 306. 307. 308. 309. 310. Repeat after me, children. 306. 307. 308. 309. 310. So now tell me what will come after 310. 311. So after 310, 311. 311. 311. 312. 312. 313. 313. 314. 314. 315. 315. So after 315, 316. 316. 317. 317. 318. 318. 319. 320. After 319, 320. Yes, shall we move on to the next one? After 320, what number will come? Yes. 321. 321. 322. 323. 324. 325. 321. 322. 323. 324. 325. After 325, 326. 326. 327. 327. 328. 328. 329. 329. 330. 330. After 330, 331. 331. 332. 333. 333. 334, 334, 335, 331, 332, 333, 334, 335. After 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340, 341. After 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345. After 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350. After 350, 351, 352, 353, 354, 355. After 355, what number will come? 356. Yes, 356, 357, 358, 359. What comes after 359? Yes, 360. 356, 357, 358, 359, 360. Now tell me what number comes after 360? 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 361, 362, 363, 364, 365. After 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 370. 366, 367, 368, 369, 370. So what number will come after 370? 371, 372, 373, 374, 375. After 375, 376, 377, 378, 379, 380, 376, 377, 378, 379, 380. So after 380, 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 381, 382, 383, 384, 385. After 385, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390. After 390, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395. So after 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400, 396, 397, 398, 399. After 399, 400, 400. Shall we see the number name? 4, F-O-U-R, 400, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 400. So now take your notebook and write numbers from 301 to 400. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310. In one row, after that 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320 in second row. Like that from 321 to 330. Next 331 to 340 till 400 you are going to write now. Shall we count by tens now? 310, repeat after me children. 310, 310, 310. When you add 10 to that, 320, 320, 330, 340, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. 400. So write numbers from 301 to 400 in your notebook. Now we are going to see the number names. Number names. What is the first number? 3, 3, 3. So what is the number name for that? So how many hundreds? 300, right? So shall we write 300? T-H-R-E-E, 300. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 300. 33. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 33. T-H-R-E-E, 333. Repeat after me. 333. Second one. 378. Now you are going to tell me the number name for this. Yes, how many hundreds? 300, right? 300. 300. How many tens? 7 tens. So 70. 78. 370. What is spelling of 70? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 78. E-I-G-H-T. 378. Clear children? Shall we move on to the next one? 397. What is the number name for the number? 397. 300. Write the spelling for 300. 300. 97. What is that? 97. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 97. S-E-V-E-N. 397. 345. What is the number name? How many hundreds? 300. So write 300. 300. 45. That means 45. 340. F-O-R-T-Y. 45. F-I-V-E. 345. 3, 4, 5. The number name is 345. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Identify the numbers from the number name. Number name has been given. You are going to find out the number. Shall we? Identify the numbers from the number name. First one, 369. 300. So for first one, 300. How many hundreds? 300. This is for first one. 300. How many tens? 6 tens. So 69. So the number formed is 369. 369. Second one. Read out the number name. 322. 322. How many hundreds? So 300. How many tens? 20. So 2 tens. 22. Very good. So 322. The number formed is 322. 322. Number formed is 322. Third one, 305. 305. How many hundreds? So there is no tens. So 0, 5. 305. 305. The number formed is 305. For 305, the number formed is 305. Fourth one, 358. 358. How many hundreds? 300. How many tens? 55 tens each. So the number formed is 358. 358. Clear, children? Now let's see what comes after. You know the after number, right? You're going to add 1 to the given number. So the number is, first number is 319. What comes after 319? 319 plus 1? Yes, 320. 320. After 319, 320. 320. Second one, 392. 392. What number will come after 392? Think and tell me the answer now. After 392? Yes, 393. Add 1 to the number 392. So 393. 393. Third one, 337. 337. Now tell me what number will come after 337? Yes, add 1 to the number 337. So the answer is 338. 338. After 337, 338 will come. 338. 338. Now what comes before? What comes before? Now you are going to tell me what number will come before. First one is 317. 317. 317. Before 317, what number will come? Subtract 1 from the number. 1 from 317. So the answer is 316. 316 comes before 317. 316. 316. 317, right? So now second one, 355. Now what number will come before 355? Think and tell me, children. Yes. Subtract 1 from the number 355. 355 minus 1 is 354. 354 comes before 355. 354. Third one, 390. 390. What comes before 390? Yes, 389. What comes before 390? 389. 389 comes before 390. Next, missing numbers. You're going to say the missed out numbers. Shall we see? First one is 362, 362, 363. What will come after 363? 364. Yes. After 363, 364. After that, 365. What number will come after 365? Yes, 366. After 365, 366. Second one, 305, 305. After 305, what number will come? 306. 306, 307. After 307, 308. After that, 309. 305, 306, 307, 308, 309. Third one, 386, 387. What comes after 387? 388. 388. After 388, add 1. 389. 389. Then 390. 389. After that, 390. So you know to write the missing numbers, right children? What comes between? You're going to say what number that comes in between. Shall we? So first one is 324, 324, 326. Now tell me what comes between 324 and 326? 325. 325 comes between 324 and 326. Next one, 398 and 400. Now tell me what number comes between 398 and 400. Think and tell me. After 398 and 4, between 398 and 400, what number will come in between? 399. 399. So you know to write the between numbers, right? So I've given one worksheet. Finish the worksheet, children. First one is the number name for 356 is. Second one, 389 represent the number. What comes after 319? What comes before 394? What comes between 366 and 368? Write the number name for the following numbers: 328, 347, 369. You're going to write the number name for these three numbers. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.